Bro, this fool really want to take a piss in the creepiest fucking park around. Look at this shit. All for a fucking piss, bruh. The fucking swings and shit. Oh, hell nah.
Hey, bro, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know?
Oh, hell no. I think I'm gonna wait for you outside, bro. I don't want to go in there. That's just weird.
Nah, nigga, what if I get jumped?
I don't take too long, though, for real. It's just kind of weird. I got the door. Alright, let's go, bro. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I know, bro. Dude, how are you gonna have the creepiest fucking park and this fool takes an hour to piss? Like, that shit's fucking... Oh, shit, what the fuck? Yo, that's fucking weird. Dude, that's fucking weird. Shh, shh, shh. Don't even look, don't even look, don't even look. There's some fucking weird looking fool at the fucking swing. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck is coming? Oh, hell no. Alright, chill. Oh, fuck, no, go, get in. Oh, hell no, oh, hell no. Oh, fuck, dude. Oh, no, nigga's crazy, brother. Oh, hell no, oh, hell no. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, shit. Bro, the power is still fucking out. Look at the fucking GTI, bro. This shit's about to be drowning soon. Oh, hell no. Well, we got the daily right now. What the fuck? How the fuck am I gonna get home? Oh, hell no. What the fuck? Oh, hell no. Wait, what? Oh, hell no. Should I jump on? This is my mom's car. Oh, shit. Gotta climb this hole. Oh. What the fuck is so dark and shit? Alright, boys. I moved her out of the water, but I'm waiting till I can put her somewhere else for now. Oh, I was worried, but I don't even think anything was gonna happen, to be honest. Running through my mind all day. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, look, my father has arrived. I am your father.
As the car is gone?
Yeah.
I don't even know where the photo is.
Go. Oh shit! Oh, what the fuck? No way, I didn't. Oh, it wasn't recording.
You're lying.
No, it wasn't recording. Actually.
You're lying, bro.
Oh shit! Okay. Oh shit! Nice.
Hell nah. Oh, hell nah. Tickle.
Shoo.
Does that look cool right now?
Before we get into what we're getting into, snack time. Yeah, no, because then it's gonna have no freaking hole. But both. Like that, bro. That's exactly. That's how you do it, bro.
Wait, what the fuck? I didn't know they sell this.
What?
Roach 4K?
Oh,
How much
yeah.
is it? $3? Oh, shit.
I guess, I don't know. What are you guys gonna get? You guys aren't even getting ice, bro. Yeah, I want tac. Quiero unos taquitos. This shit smacks, bro. This shit smacks. Oh, and the pizza's fresh. Oh. Should I get pizza or taquitos, bro? You excited? What are you doing?
Oil change, simple oil change.
Simple oil change, simple oil change. Simple oil change, boys. Simple oil change. I did it with the topo. That's how you do it, boys. But this one goes.
Oh, what the fuck, dude? This beanie is so nice, dude. Free my nigga Kodak.
Bro, it's literally ready. Right when you turn it on, it's already going.
Stop, bro, stop.
That nigga doesn't know.
Oh, hell no!
Watching not even fucking.
Oh, hell no!
Watching not even be good.
Okay.
Nah, it's gonna be cool. This was too excited, bro.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Let me know, okay?
Alright, chill. to see first impressions right now.
Okay.
What do you think?
I don't know. Fuck! I don't know, bro. Oh, hell no.
Why? It sounds too quiet for you?
Yeah. Like you have to gas it in order to hear it.
You like it?
Yeah.
That little smile you just did right there. It doesn't sound that bad though. Really, it sounds cool. It's just I just a little too quiet.
Yeah.
If it was a little bit louder, yeah, but it sounds cool though. You know what I mean?
I wonder how straight up would sound.
I mean that's next, but if you do a straight pipe, just put a resonator. You know what I mean?
Oh, that sounds way
You see what I'm
better,
telling you? You
bro.
see what I told you? It sounds good actually. I actually like it.
I thought.
It's because I told you from inside it's not gonna hear this money same.
What the fuck can I not do that for, bro?
Alright, let's go. Alright, but don't take too long for it, right? And then we got the creepy nigga in the fucking bathroom. I'm gonna be like, fool looks hella creepy. And then
What the fuck?
boy, if you don't oh hell no.
That shit was about to be hella good. Look at that shit, bro.
Bro, why did you look? I think it's my fault. I made you look down.
Ew, bro.
That shit
It's
so
a
good,
good.
nigga.
Ew, what are you doing? Five-second rule. That's nasty, bro. Look at that landed on the oil. You fucking nasty ass. Ew.
Extra flavor is what I heard. Oh yeah.
Was it still good?
Yeah. Didn't do like anything.
I mean, you need oil in your system.